Guys, AC Titans out again. Yeah, G possibly have a leak, so we come to sort them out, right? Have no fear, AC Titans is here. Yeah, guys, always clean these U unions here. Always clean them to make sure, because sometimes when there's little debris on it, just block the hole now, and there'll be a fine pinhole coming out. Fine pinhole that open, that releasing the gas. So once you clean it up nice, it get exposed the hole, and you'll be able to see what needs to be done, right? But I'm watching here, see how these shining compared to the others here. Yeah, most likely it's one out of these four here. But if you look back here, little oily on the rim, on the sides here now, but even this little plate and all had little oil, smelling just like refrigerant. So look like it's there, right? But we still check. Yeah, guys, listen carefully. Right here. Ain't that? Looks right there. Right there. So let's get down to work. Clean shop some more. See? See what's going on there? That's the bugger. Yeah, let's clean up the others to make sure that they too not leaking nowhere else now, man. But that's the guy. That's the culprit, usual suspect. Yeah, guys, well, incomplete. So you add in refrigerant to the unit now.